So this is the version we have. We have the CPU, we have the error count, we have all that. And right over here we have, sorry, it's over here, we have the instant replay. So first thing you can do with the instant replay is long press. Let me turn on my Stream Deck keys. You can see the key over here. So long pressing it like this actually turns on the replay buffer. But to do that, there's one thing you have to do. So you have to go to File Settings inside OBS. And there we go. So this is the OBS settings. You have to go to File Settings, go to Output, and turn on Enable Replay Buffer. Then you can set how long you want the replay buffer for. I put it as 13 seconds or something like that. And now it's disabled just because I'm streaming, but when you guys are not streaming, you can enable it. And the other important thing is, where do we save all the recordings? So in this case, it is saving them to a place called Stream Recordings on my computer. So that's the settings I need: the recording path, make sure I enabled replay buffer, and then set how long I want a replay to be. Then I go here and I basically have a few features. So if I disable the auto replay settings, then pressing the button just saves a replay. So let me show that. So if this is all my stream recordings right over here, pressing the button now, one click, generated a new file with the name of replay. So that's simple. That is storing it on the computer. The fun stuff happens when you enable auto replay. So when you enable auto replay, it asks you for the for the directory. This is the same directory I showed you guys in the settings, and it also asks for a media source name. So basically, it's gonna look weird for a second. I apologize, but if this is my OBS, as you guys can see, I have a media source here. I just created a brand new add media source and just called it instant replay. And I even set it to disabled for now. You can see it over here. It is not visible, sorry. It's not visible. So I have one called instant replay, so I put the name instant replay. Other settings like delay the replay, I always put that as 1. If you have a slower computer, you can add that for a little bit more. Do I want to mute the replay? I usually do, because otherwise it repeats what I'm saying again. You could choose to auto hide it after a few seconds. Let's set that for like 6 seconds. You also have Twitch integration. If you enable Twitch integration, what that actually does is allows you to not just press the button and set a replay. If someone writes replay in chat, it actually creates a replay too. So first thing I'm going to do is press the button now. Press the button and set a replay. Right up here, if someone writes replay in chat, what I did. It disappeared after 6 seconds because that's what I said here.